Now see here, this is a circular loop here. This wire has resistance R. So, this side L1 side here, the suppose the resistance is R1 and this side is the resistance of this wire is R2. Now, it is connected with a battery or that is a cell here. At this point the current is divided into two parts, one is from this side, one is from this side and coming to this side here again I. Now, we have to show that magnetic field at the point O at the center of this loop is 0. So, see here we can calculate the magnetic field due to the first part here, that is B1 is equal to mu naught here I1 and L1 divided by, we can take here 4 pi, and the radius we can take suppose r of this, that is a 4 pi r square, and due to this part it is the outward. So, we can write n cap. This is the upper part, we can write here B2 is equal to mu naught I2 L2 divided by L2, that is the integration of this whole thing, length is given. In place of dl I am writing here L1 and L2. So, we can write here 4 pi r square, but this is here minus n cap. So, now in both the cases we can get here magnetic field B is equal to mu naught I1 L1 upon 4 pi r square minus mu naught I2 L2 divided by 4 pi r square, and that we can take here n cap. So, now see here we have to show 0, it means we have to show these two magnetic fields are equal, but this is acting as a parallel combination. So, what we can do here, we can take potential difference across this wire and across this wire is same. So, we can write here I1 R1 is equal to I2 R2. So, we can write I1 rho L1 upon A, that is the area of cross section. I have put the resistivity because the material is the same, resistivity remains same. So, we can write here also I2 rho L2 divided by A, this and this will get cancelled, rho will get cancelled, you will be getting I1 L1 is equal to I2 L2. So, we have shown here I1 L1 is equal to I2 L2. So, now see here mu naught upon 4 pi r square, mu naught upon 4 pi r square, that is part common here, mu naught upon 4 pi r square, and here I1 L1 minus I2 L2 into n cap, and this part is 0 because both are equal, we have shown, it means net magnetic field at the center is 0. So, this is also the one example which is related to the Barth-Savart law.